Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making stir-fry shrimp and green peas. This colorful dish is perfect in spring when fresh green peas are in season. These are the ingredients. If you can find fresh green peas, they are great to use, but you can also use frozen green peas like we do here. First, we clean the shrimp with some katakuriko potato starch and a pinch of salt. Rub shrimp in a bowl by hand, like that. And rinse a couple of times. This cleaning will help the shrimp from smelling fishy, and texture of the shrimp will be better that way. Pat dry with a paper towel. Sprinkle a little bit of sake and a pinch of salt. Mix and let it sit for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we mix the ingredients of the sauce in a small bowl. Sake, water, salt, sugar, grated ginger, garlic, sesame oil, and some katakuriko potato starch. Stir and set aside. Heat a frying pan with oil at medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the green peas and stir for another couple of minutes. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. Then add the mixed sauce and keep cooking until the sauce has thickened. Turn off the heat and serve immediately. You can adjust the amount of ginger and garlic to your liking. Stir-fried shrimp and green peas is very quick to make with easy-to-find ingredients. Try this one for dinner tonight.
美味しい。